Hey guys, so if you see my last few videos, you're probably aware that I'm still in the early stages of modifying my Ford Fusion. And I say early stages because realistically I haven't had the car very long. Now there is a car that I've had for probably about 2 years now, going on 3 in March actually, that I haven't formally introduced you guys to. And before I do more stuff to it, I want to get you guys up to date because I basically documented everything, I just didn't post it because I only recently started posting consistently. So this is my 2014 Chevy Corvette Z51. Let me see if I can give you guys a nice cold start. I got this car in March of 2018, but the thing about it is the story of it, I guess, kind of goes back a little bit further because my car before this, I didn't really have a plan on what I wanted to do to modify it. It was just kind of piece by piece. Whereas this one, I kind of created somewhat of a render of what I wanted to do. And this way I could basically piece portions of the car together to get this. But this way I could piece portions of the car together and basically aim it towards that goal of what I had in mind for the final look of the car. But from doing research years before actually having the car, I knew exactly what it was that I wanted. I wanted a white Z51 with red competition seats and transparent top. And realistically, it's not the tallest order, but the thing about it were that the bulk of the vehicles with competition seats were black. And it wasn't really a search you could specify because there wasn't an actual category that said competition seats. And a lot of the times, the ones that had it wouldn't even advertise that they had competition seats. But I finally found this car for sale. Only thing being that it was in New Jersey and there was a storm at the time. But I had everything I was looking for, the price was right. Before I knew it, a car hauler was pulling up in front of my house.
Holy moly.
Where's Angel?
He's coming. Oh boy. And so the first thing that I did was I washed the car. The previous owner didn't take the best care of the car. You can see it pretty well on this one. Right here. Right there. It's nothing too bad. A very dirty interior, and on top of that, the transparent top was basically just completely clouded over. I don't even know how you do that. And then from there, I got a tint on the windows. I don't really know if you can count that just because, I mean, it's a pretty common thing to do to cars. And from there, we get to the cool stuff. So the next thing was these wheels. These are Vertini RFS 1.1s, and I got them in this brushed metallic red. The basic concept was accentuating the red interior with red wheels, and I think it looks pretty awesome. Now this car came with the stock Arctic White spoiler. But the thing I really liked was the Z06 Stage 3 aero kit and how the gloss black accentuated whatever color your car was. The guy we had installed the aero kit actually works for a Chevrolet trusted body shop that works a lot with wraps, custom paint, and basically whatever you want to do to your car. So he actually took my side markers and not these tail lights, but the old tail lights, and was able to get them all painted gloss black to further give the car that sleek look. And coupled with that, I got the Z06 grille. I got these custom LEDs installed to mirror all the functions of the headlights. So it has running lights, emergency lights, turn signals. There you go. And from there, I sold the black taillights and got these white Z06 taillights. Nothing against the black ones, just I like not getting pulled over left and right. And from there, we took the attention inside to the dash. So like I said, he modified a lot of cars. So he was actually able to get my dash in this really nice carbon fiber pattern with these red accents right here, as well as footwell lighting, which you probably can't see right now, and underglow. And the most recent thing was actually a gift from my girlfriend. So she actually gifted me these carbon flash emblems for my Corvette. And she knew I wanted them for the longest because up until then, all the emblems on the car were chrome. So I installed this one, took off the Corvette lettering that goes right here, took off the Stingray emblem, and also swapped this emblem here up front. But I think that's it. This is the car as she stands. And honestly, I am just so happy with how she's come out. She's definitely come a long way. But there's still a lot more that I want to do to the car, and I have a lot in store. So feel free to subscribe if you want to see what I do to it. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.